Hello, everybody. Welcome to another edition of kind of Lunch with Lisa, but welcome to our soul sourced healing group. And I am here today for anybody who doesn't know me, my name is Lisa Warner. I am the author of The Simplicity of Self-Healing. And if you're not part of our Facebook group, if you're watching this, our Facebook group is Soul Sourced Healing. So today I wanted to talk about ascension and what that has to do with healing. I realize that there are a lot of people that are not really clear on what is actually happening on our planet right now as far as ascension is concerned. What is ascension? It is the process of, just like a hot air balloon ascends, we are raising up in vibration as a planet. Our planet is raising to a new frequency level. And she's taking all of us with her. And as we raise our frequency, it's a little bit disturbing because we have all kinds of ascension symptoms that happen. And if we're not really aware of what's happening, it's really hard to navigate these times because they're very, very intense. So we have waves of high frequency light that are penetrating the planet right now. These waves of light are here to help the earth ascend. The waves of light are here to help us ascend out of the lower frequency levels. What are the lower frequency levels? Disease, doubt, guilt, lack, limitation. These are all low frequency vibrations. The joy, ease, freedom, those are high frequency vibrations. We have been living in this low bandwidth for a very long time as humanity, and we have been struggling with all kinds of things, not to mention our health. Our bodies have been struggling. So now, as we are raising up in vibration, we are moving into new levels of health and well-being. But in order to do that, we have to start to become aware of what's actually happening on the planet. We have to start to see that the light that is coming into the planet is light that we can use for our healing. But in order to do that, we have to recognize that light and we have to know how to utilize it. So we have to start seeing what's happening. We have to start becoming aware of how we can use this incoming light to raise our vibration. If we're struggling with our bodies, it means that our cells do not have enough light to regenerate themselves at a healthy level. So just like a light switch has a rheostat, you have a dimmer switch on a light switch, you can turn the light up or you can turn it down. Well, when we turn our light down, then we end up in these patterns of disease and lack and limitation. So in order for our cells to rejuvenate themselves, to heal themselves, we have to turn that switch up. We have to bring more light into our cells. We have to flood the cells with light and raise the vibration of the cells so that they can start to rejuvenate themselves. The body is designed to heal itself, but it can't do that if it doesn't have enough light to do that. So I invite you guys to start noticing what is available. Start noticing that we are more than just the physical body. We are also a light body. We are an energy body. We are energy beings. So everything is energy. And this light that is coming into the planet is here for us to turn into energy to use for our own ascension, for our own health and happiness. And we can change anything in our lives. We are designed to live healthy, happy lives. But when we're struggling and we've turned the dimmer switch down on our own light, we can't live these happy, healthy lives, because in order to do that, we have to have that dimmer switch turned up. We have to have our light full on. So we are shining our light. We are infinite beings. We have infinite capacity to shine light and to be brilliant and live beautiful, loving, harmonious, happy lives. And all these light frequencies that are coming into the planet right now are here to help us. So I invite you to start becoming aware of the light and the energy that it's in your bodies. Start to use some tools. I posted some things about grounding today. Grounding your energy, connecting your energy to Mother Earth is one way of bringing in that light and using it in the cells of your body. So connect your energy to Mother Earth. Send a connecting, connect to the earth. Just use your imagination. Connect your base chakra to the heart of Mother Earth. And then start breathing and running energy up and down from your heart to the heart of Mother Earth, back and forth. Ground your energies and start noticing how that helps. Start noticing how that changes your energy. Start noticing how that feels. So in this group, I'm going to start talking a lot more about the ascension process so that you guys can start to notice what's really happening, and so you can really jump on the ascension bandwagon, because by utilizing the energies that come in, raising your vibration, you can change your life very quickly. But you have to become aware of what's going on in order to do that. So I hope this is helpful. If you have questions about Ascension, please put them in the comments below, and I will be checking back in, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you have. But we'll be talking a lot more about Ascension throughout the course of this week and into the future. So, because it is extremely helpful to know what's going on and to be able to see how to utilize energy to heal your body. Everything is energy. And when you can use that energy in your cells, you can change your state of health in a really quick manner. So thanks for watching with me today. And until next time, create for yourselves a great day.